Mikhail Clodt von Jürgensburg was born December 30, 1832, died May 16, 1902, both Saint Petersburg, was a Russian Imperial realistic painter. He learnt drawing at the Saint Petersburg Mining Cadet Corps, then at the Imperial Academy of Arts. After receiving a large gold medal, he received a scholarship for 3 years to study painting in France, Switzerland and Italy, but abandoned his foreign trip in a year. He complained that the foreign landscapes would not inspire him and that French and Italian school of painting is inferior to Russian one. After returning, Clodt got permissions to use the rest of the scholarship funds in his travel over Russia. In both his devotion to the Russian landscape and some petty naturalism, Clodt was probably the forerunner of Ivan Shishkin.